Hi children, take your grammar book, open the book page number 21. Already we learnt common noun, proper noun, collective noun. Okay, now we are going to learn about material noun. A material noun is a name given to the material from which something is made. Material noun means made a something. அதாவது சில பொருட்களை வச்சு ஒரு பொருளை உருவாக்குறதுக்கு பேர் தான் என்னது? மெட்டீரியல் நவுன். Choose the right word from those given. Here first you read the clue words. Cotton, concrete, marble, brick, steel, gold, floor, silver, clay, copper. And also material noun. First one, pots are made of. Pot means manpanai. Clay. Second one, bread is made of flour. Flour means maavu. Next, my necklace is made of gold. The lamp is made of. Lamp means copper light, that copper. The bowl is made of steel. This keychain is made of silver. The Taj Mahal is made of marble. Taj Mahal building வந்து எதில் மேட் பண்ணாங்க? ஃபுல் அண்ட் ஃபுல் மார்பிள் தான். ஓகே. The house is made of brick. Brick means செங்கல். Roads are made of concrete. This cloth is made of cotton. Read the passage and underline the material nouns. We had been to Kolkata for a holiday. We visited all the interesting places there. We did a lot of shopping. I bought a jacket made of leather. My sister bought a bag made of jute. My father bought a shawl made of silk. And my mother bought a sweater made of wool. We also bought some decorative of wood and brass and an idol made of marble. Before we left Kolkata, we also had a fill of all the different variety of sweets. I particularly liked the sweets made of milk and sugar. You underline the material noun. Leather made of jute, silk, sweater made of wool. We also bought some decorative in wood of brass and made of marble. Made of milk and sugar. This also material nouns. Okay. Next, abstract noun. An abstract noun is the name of something we can only think or feel but cannot see or touch. Abstract noun means only you think or feel only. At the same time, we cannot touch. It can name of quality, a stage, an idea, a state, or a feeling. More abstract nouns are formed from adjectives. Okay, most abstract noun எதை ஃபார்ம் பண்ணியிருக்குதுன்னா அட்ஜெக்டிவ்ஸை ஃபார்ம் பண்ணியிருக்குது. அட்ஜெக்டிவ்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் மிகைப்படுத்தி சொல்கிறது. த கிங் வாஸ் கைண்ட்னஸ். She is very happiness. The room is darkness. That also abstract noun formed from adjectives. Some abstract noun are formed from verbs. Act, action, die, death, speak, speech, think, thought. That also verb form abstract noun. Next, some abstract nouns are formed from common nouns. Child, neighbor, leader, friend, brother. That also common noun. Common noun, abstract noun. The names of the arts and science are also abstract noun. Physics, grammar, chemistry, music. That also science or arts and science of abstract nouns. Next, fill in the blanks with abstract noun. Form the abstract noun from the word given in bracket. Here, this also given in the bracket. Abstract noun. Many people in India live in dash poor. Change into noun poverty. Next, second one, dash is the best period of one's life. Child. See here, common noun. So, child means childhood. Third one, after sunset there is complete dash or dark. Okay, that is here abstract noun or adjective. So, you write the darkness. One must always speak the dash. Truth. See here. Truth. She felt a great sense of dash as she watched her son receive the award. Proud. Abstract noun, pride. He is known for his dash honest. How to adjectives? Honesty. Honesty. Children are given awards for their dash bravery. Knowledge leads to dash wise. Wise means wisdom. Wisdom. Dash is the stepping stone to success. Failure. There is no dash in this office. Vacancy. Most of them abstract noun form adjectives. See here, most of them abstract noun formed from adjectives. some only verbs and common nouns. So you study well that rules that forms. Okay, thank you children.